All new at 5 tonight, a parking lot caked with sand. Take a look what the Wink News drone shot here at the Lighthouse Beach parking lot. Kind of looks like a mess after Debbie swept right through. Crews are cleaning it up, though, to open the lot sooner rather than later. Wink News reporter Tiffany Rizzo joins us live from Sanibel. Tiffany, a lot of sand behind you. Not all those beaches are open yet.
Yeah, Chris, no, most of them are closed, and you can see why. I'm at Lighthouse Beach Park, and you can see all of this sand behind me that washed up onshore, as well as some standing water. But don't worry, crews are on it. The cleanup from Debbie continues, at least in the Sanibel Lighthouse Beach parking lot.
There's sand over the parking lot. There's also a lot of water in the parking lot, so we don't want people driving in there, and it's not a great place to park right now.
Lots and lots of sand, but Sanibel's on it.
They're working really hard to get things opened back up again.
While most of the beach parking lots are closed, people are still welcome to walk the beaches, which is where I found the Buhite family collecting shells.
We're out here shelling for the first time since the storm passed and the rains finally moved out, and we're right off a low tide, so there's a lot of shells out right now. So far it's been pretty good.
With those strong tides, it sort of washes a lot of stuff in, and we are a big shelling destination.
Shell, yeah, we are.
Finding things like this. Lots of these.
Along with the shellers on the beach, Sanibel Captiva Conservation Foundation was checking on the sea turtles.
So we're trying to determine which nests were lost due to the storm that passed through and might have completely washed out, and which may have lost their external nest markers, but there's actually still a nest. There's still eggs incubating in the sand.
Jack Berzosa with SCCF says a lot of the nests were impacted, but as they do their evaluations, they're hoping for the best.
Sea turtles have adapted their nesting strategy over time to sort of compensate for these natural disasters.
And they hope to have those sea turtle nest numbers by the end of next week, but it is going to take some time as they have to go around and check each nest one by one. Now, as for beachgoers, the parking lots should open back up within the next couple of days. And if you are looking to go to the beach, Bowman Beach parking lot is open back up. Reporting live on Sanibel, Tiffany Rizzo, Wink News.